Maptek has been at the forefront of 3D geological modelling for decades. And now, with the release of DomainMCF, we continue to revolutionise the key mining practice. This new paradigm for domain modelling applies machine learning to rapidly create resource models. Generate domain boundaries and grade models directly from drill hole sample data in minutes, dramatically faster than classical techniques, which could take weeks, months, or even years. Our machine learning engine loves big data. The more information, the more it relishes the task. Complete data validation within DomainMCF before the modelling phase. Benefit from multiple solutions being run in parallel using high-performance cloud computing. Add new data and quickly regenerate models using the latest information. The standardised process produces repeatable, reliable and auditable results. Improve productivity, manage risk, maximise investment and reduce costs with minimal setup using DomainMCF. Contact Maptek today to learn more about the future of geological modelling.